Right. Okay. So did you have a chance to practice to explain the poem Stopping by Woods? And we are going to do this. Prepare for the science experiment and act of a character that you like.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. I'll give the chance. Okay, chance to Kitnuli. First, we are doing poem practice to explain the poem Stopping by Woods.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain the poem Stopping by Woods. And by this is a poem by Robert Frost. And the on a one winter's day, a man went to a village through a forest with his little horse, and he watched around the woods, and the beauty was unbelievable. He thinks whose woods these are. I think I know. He stopped for a while, his little pony, and the little horse thinks, why why the owner of his was stopped he was stopped him between the frozen lake and the woods without a farmhouse, and the bit and he gives his harness bells a shake, and he asks if there is some mistake. The only other sounds, the sweet racy wind or his downy flame. And finally, the woods are lovely, dark, deep, and it was the darkest evening of the year they enjoyed. Mm, and there are many things to do before we sleep. From this poem we can think the owner of these woods will not cannot enjoy this uh, beauty because of he has many things to do. Every people have many things to do because even they cannot enjoy their surrounding. Mm, and from this poem we can understood a people are not enjoying their surrounding, and our environment beauty is surrounding us. From this poem we can understand this.
Okay,
Thank you.
good. Okay, good. To your age, very good, right? But you can explain the lines one by one, right? When you say miles to go, you can say miles to go. That he means, he describes by miles to go mean he has a lot to do before he dies. Likewise, you can explain line by line. Okay, that's the literature. You have to explain rather than to say in the same line, which is in the poem, you can explain, right? Explain like, for an example, uh, that's the best. The miles to go before I sleep. That means there are a lot of obligations, duties to do, fulfill before he dies. Likewise, you can tell the meaning, right? Good, right? But you can improve. You can. This belongs to literature syllabus. So you can improve slowly, right? Okay, very good. Who's next? Chamiti? Chamiti? Chameli? Are you ready?
Teacher, I need some time.
Okay. Javindu? I gave you 1 week time. Jamindu,
I need some time, teacher.
my God, I gave you 1 week time. Okay, Chamiti,
Teacher, I didn't prepare for it.
okay, but can you remember the poem? I can show it. Can
No,
you?
teacher.
You have to do homework. Otherwise, there won't be any improvement. If you don't
Can I send a video tomorrow?
yeah, okay. Right? Okay. Namindu, are you ready? You can try. Namindu?
No, teacher.
Okay. Can you also send me a video?
Okay.
Okay. Please send, otherwise there won't be any improvement. Right? We are doing the same thing. Like we are doing speeches and this and that, small things. The presentations are also now very common. We have done so many presentations. Speeches also, we have done a lot of speeches. So now we have to do something new. So this is new literature, right? How to analyze a poem. So everybody please do it. You can't be perfect because you are still small, right? But try it. Then when your age comes, you are good. Okay. Chameli, are you ready?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. This is about the narrator is going somewhere with his horse and he sees he saw a small jungle filled with snow, and he says, "Whose woods these are? I think I know." Uh, he say that he know that the owner of that small jungle, and he says that the owner is in the village as well. And he hoped that the owner won't see him stopping there and watching the woods. And then he thinks that his horse will be must thinking that it is very suspicious to stop without a farmhouse, because then we from that we can think that they only stopped by near a farmhouse. And then and he said that they are in between the woods and a frozen lake, and he says that is the darkest evening of the year. And the horse gave his harness bells a shake, and the narrator is saying he gave a shake to ask is there any mistake, because they stopped without any farmhouse near, and
Strange place. Strange place.
in a strange place. and the only sound there is the sound of the sound of the wind and the snowdrops falling without the bell shake, sound of the bell shake, and the narrator says the woods he described above the small jungle, and he says he likes to watch the woods for some more time, but he says that he can't watch it, stop there and watch it, because he have to do he have to fulfill, so there are so many duties to fulfill before he died.
Yeah, good, good. So this is the first time. You're also first time. So good, but you can improve. You have to improve more, but you're at this stage, you are very good. I mean, this is the first time you did, and you're small. So, right, you have time, but good. Javedu, can you?
Teacher, I will do a video.
Okay, please do. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
right. Who's ready for science experiment?
Teacher, I
Okay.
ready for the science experiment.
Yeah, okay, you can go ahead. Be live, be more active. Okay.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do an experiment with magnets. And for this
Okay, I'll
experiment,
stop
we
here.
need
I'll
cup.
stop here, right? Okay, let's see. Hi guys. I'm going to do a science experiment. Let's do what will happen. Like you can add an excitement here. Let's do what will happen. Something like a small excitement. Let's do what will happen to this magnet. Something like that. Okay, yeah.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do this experiment with magnets. And first, you need a cup and fill it with water. You need to fill it with water, and also when when we see this magnet, you can observe they are attracting. When we go through the water, it will be attract or not. Let's see. Okay. Now you have to now you can see when I move these magnets, the magnet in the water also moves. And this is the magnetic power. The magnetic power also works through the water also. And I think you will observe this very well. And also
You can say, "Oh, let's take it here. Let's take it there. We'll give it a punishment. Like, let's take it here. We'll see whether whether it follows us. Something like, okay, let's take it here. Oh my God, it
let's
came. And let's take it back. Let's take it backwards. Oh, it
take
came.
it over the and let's take it over the water. Oh, it comes also. And you can see it is working through the magnetic power. And the magnetic power is very unbelievable because it works.
Yeah.
And also you can see it is also working with working from anywhere, and
Yeah.
and I move it for every directions, and it is working. And now you will understand the magnetic power can work anywhere. And finally, this is the end of my experiment. Thank you for watching it.
Yeah, last bit is very good. Your voice also increased, and last bit was very good. And yes, good, good. But you have to improve the how to make the audience excited, right? So those things you have to improve. But I don't say you are bad, right? You are very good. You practiced and you did a lot of hard work. But for your improvement, you need to keep the audience attracted to you. So that means you have to make the audience very excited. You have your voice and everything should go live, like very live, right? So keep them excited, right? You need, for that you need practice. You need practice. Okay, very good. Who's next? Chamiti, are you ready? Chamiti? Chamiti, are you ready? Okay, Jamindu? Jamindu must be ready. Ready, right?
Hi guys, I am going to make a electric magnet. You
Wait,
need nail.
wait, I'll spotlight you. Okay, spotlight. Okay, right.
First, you need nail, copper coil, a battery. First, wind in the copper coil on the nail.
Mhm.
Then join copper coils corners to battery.
Mhm.
Now you can see there is a iron file clip. It attract to this nail.
It gets attracted to this nail. Mhm.
Thank you.
Okay, right. Okay, short one, but good. So, but in the next video, you can explain more, right? You can explain more, you can talk more, right? And the final result, how would you describe the final result of what did you achieve? What did you know from the experiment?
How to make an electric magnet?
How to make an electric magnet. Okay, right, good. Chamiti, Chameli, Namindu. Who's ready? Oh, very good. Namindu. Okay.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show about a science experiment.
Mhm.
You need two glasses and two eggs and water and salt. First, take a glass and put water into
Fill
water.
it with water. Mhm.
Then then take another glass, then fill in to the water and you take salt bottle, then you put salt salt into a glass and mix it. Now take 2 eggs and put a egg in water glass and 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 and, and another egg
The
you
other egg.
and other egg you put into the salt water. Now you can see this is floating in the water. Then this is teacher ගිලුනට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ?
Sink. Sink. Sink.
Sorry.
Sink.
And first glass egg and it is sink in the water.
Sinks
Then
in the water. It sinks
in the water. Then other egg is floating in the water.
other egg mean පුතේ තව එකක්. The other. අනිත් එකනේ අපි කියන්නේ අනිත් egg එක. The other. Okay. The other is floating. Very good. Your
Thank
English also improved. English also has improved. Very good. Very good mean you have to improve. I say very good mean you have improved from where you were, right? But you have to go a long path. But you are good. Okay. Chameli, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, can you? Your mic is mute.
Hi guys, today I'm going to do an experiment. For this, we only need a plate, a candle, a glass, some water and a lighter. Okay, maybe you will think what I'm going to do with this stuff. Today I'm going to show there's oxygen gas in the air. For this, first we need take the candle and light it with the light. And then place it on the plate. Then take some water and pour it to the plate. do you think what I'm going to do next? Then take the glass and cover it like this. Did you see what happened? Yeah, the candle blew out. Is that the only thing happened? No. Can you see the water level is increased? Okay, now the both of these things happened because of the oxygen gas in the air. Thank you and hope you enjoy.
Very good. I'd say very good. You have trained yourself. You have practiced a lot, I can see. And yeah, you have organized yourself very well. And you included some excitements also. But, okay, but still, you got to improve further and further to be to reach professional level, right? Okay. Chamiti, are you ready? Chamiti, I can't hear you. Your mic is mute. Okay, then let's go to our next term. I will give a small exercise today, right? Right. This is the exercise. Right? You don't have to be perfect, right? The following bar chart shows the after-school activities of grade 11 students of your school. Study the bar chart and write a description about it. Use it 100 words. Right? Can you see the graph? Can you see the graph well?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So what you have to
Yes, teacher.
write? Yeah. Tell me, what do you have to write?
About the number of students from uh, each activities.
Yes, right? Yes, so a small description. You have to write small description about the graph. Like there is a graph. You have to describe it, what it shows. Like you can talk about the most number of students, what the most number of students do, right? And you can talk lowest number of students, most popular activity after school, least popular activity, right? Minimum, maximum. So you can talk a lot. This is generally about,
Excuse me, teacher.
yeah, Jitum.
Teacher, මම පන්සල් ගියා teacher දැනගෙන එන්න පුළුවන් උනේ.
All right, okay, no problem. So Pute, now we are doing this exercise, right? Can you see the graph? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay. So you can see this shows after school activities of grade 11 students, right? So don't start writing after school activities of grade 11. So now you have to write a small description and present it to the class, right? That's the task. So you can see some doing 15% doing sports after school, some 20% doing reading books, 31% doing visiting friends after school, 10% do gardening, some 24% watch TV. Right? Have you seen, especially on TV, they talk, especially sometimes on news, in the news, have you seen, they are talking about this type of graphs and they explain. That's what I want you to do. You do. This is a 20, this is actually O-level question. Doesn't matter, right? I want you all to be more than O-level. I want that standard, like my children should be in a better standard than O-level now, right? So you can write. I mean, you can write in your simple English, right? This is writing, it's not a spoken activity. So you can think and write, right? You can think. I will give you, now I have 4 minutes. 4 minutes more to end this session. Then let's start the session again. After that, I'll give you 20 minutes, right? But maybe you won't be able to finish it within 20 minutes because this is O-level question, and O-level students also, they need 20 minutes. They have given 20 minutes. Perhaps you might need more time. Okay, so don't worry. This is your first time and we are doing it first time, and O-level you all are still grade 7, grade 8, grade 9. So don't worry. I want you all to do it and check your time in also. Right? And now there must be this is a spoken English class and there should be a spoken part as well. So spoken part is you write it nicely and present it to the class. That's your presentation, right? Okay, we have another 3 minutes more. Don't write, we'll start it in the next session, right? Okay, so if I help you, in this you can talk about, generally you can talk about the most number of students, what they do after school. Least number of students, what they do, right? And you can say more students like to visit friends than doing sports. Like that, you can explain. And you also can see, you can give a conclusion from the graph. What you come to a conclusion of. Now these present day children like to spend time visiting friends. They are not much interested in gardening, right? And they like watching TV and only reading books, sports, gardening, only few students like. So you can come to a conclusion about what the present day children like to do. Right? That conclusion also I would like to see. Okay, in your words. Did you understand, everybody? Sasindhu, you also can, you also write. Huh?
Okay.
Chamiti, did you understand what you have to do?
Teacher, I had a signal problem. I didn't hear.
Okay, right. So you have to do this. You have to write a description about this graph. It graphs as you can read, and this is the graph is about what you do after school, what the grade 11 students do after schools. Please write, look at and study the graph and write a description about this graph and present it to the class. Okay. Okay, we have less than a minute for this session and we'll go offline and come back. Then you have 20 minutes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right. This is 2012 O-level paper. Paper 2, essay type. See, these type of, you have to understand these type of paragraphs in O-level. Have you ever